Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I wanted to let you know what I'm up to now. You know, I just finished painting Amy's desk and it turned out so cute. I did post a picture on my community page. But today I have taken apart everything in my laundry room. I'm going to be painting that with the gray paint that we had left over from the bathroom. And I want to redo that laundry room some to make it look nice and be a fun place, or not a fun place, but a most enjoying place to be in when you're having to do laundry. So I want to make it pretty. So anyways, I wanted to show you what's up in my kitchen. Hold on. I've got everything out of my laundry room. Okay. This is the mess I'm living with right now. I just took everything out of the laundry room. And our laundry room, we have a set of shelves. Let me show them to you. They're just these shelves here that we keep in the laundry room for extra storage of all like the paper plates and stuff like that. So like in our dog's kennel sits in there. All my extra, these kind of pans for when you do barbecue stuff. Toilet paper and paper towels. I've got the whole island. We've got two things. Look at all the koozies we own. Lord, we got rid of those. Plastic cups and such, and there's the paper plates and napkins, and then all these cleaners over here. I keep all those in that pantry. I mean, just look at this mess. This is all goes on those shelves. If you can believe it or not, it all fits on those shelves. So this is the state right now. And I don't think I've ever shown you my laundry room before. It's, well, I'm fixing to paint in here. So there's not a lot in here right at the moment. I just pulled out the dryer. And it echoes in here. I pulled out the dryer, but I can't move this for anything in the world. This washer, it is heavy, heavy, heavy. So I don't know. I'm going to have to wait till my husband gets home, but I'll get most of it painted. So I got everything, and I've started taping. I've got stuff taped. I've taped up around here and around the door, down around this countertop here, underneath there. And then over here on this side, so I don't get paint on the cabinets. But you can see my laundry room is kind of skinny because, you know, here the washer dryer sit there and there's not a whole lot of room or space. So I really wish I had a like wider, wider laundry room than I do. But we do have cabinets up here. And of course they have a shelf up there that I can decorate, and then there's a thing to hang wet clothes or whatever, or dry, you want to hang them. But I have to get taking off my outlets, all my outlets and stuff. I'll just paint around this one. I don't take it off. I don't think I did. That's the 220. And then we do have another outlet over there, like if you wanted a freezer or something in your laundry room. But I have to get to cleaning this tile too. It also needs grout cleaning and so forth. So that'll wait till after I paint though. But I've got to put the rest of my tape on the molding. And then I'll be ready to paint because I've already done it on this side behind the door there. This is a skinny, tiny little place. It's so hard to get like paint there, behind there. It's going to be really hard to do that. I'll have to do it with a brush probably. I'm going to cut in with a brush probably just to make sure it's nice and tight. I'll have to do a brush up here at the ceiling because the ceiling doesn't have crown on it or anything like that, and it would be hard to tape, that area. So I'll have to be very careful when painting up there, and I'll do that with a brush. I'll cut in with a brush, and then I'll do a roller for the rest of the time. But anyway, that shelf sits right over here, so I'm hoping I'll make you dizzy, but it's the only place that I have to put, like the big packages of the big packages of, toilet paper and stuff. So it's kind of a mess around here, but I'm going to get busy on it today. And then I can't wait to show you how it turns out. I have a couple of ideas that I'd like to do in there. I just want it to be a nice, enjoying place. And of course, it'll also be great for selling if we do end up selling the house. But I'm going to decorate it in my own way while we're living here until that time comes or doesn't come. I'm not sure. But anyway, so that's what I'm up to today. I'm going to be painting this laundry room, and then I'm going to decorate it up. And I kind of would love to add some shiplap in here on one wall or something. Wouldn't that be cool? I don't know if my husband will be up for that. But anyways, that's what I'm up to today. And I hope that y'all had a good weekend. We did. It was, oh, it was yesterday. Did I post? I did on my Facebook page. Let me get in here where I have some light. On my Facebook page, I posted that my husband and I cooked a brisket yesterday in his pit smoker. And oh my God, it came out so good, y'all. It's the first time we've ever tried doing a brisket, and it came out super, super yummy. It was so good. It did take a little longer than we thought, but it came out. It was tender. It was tasted fantastic. I mean, my husband did a fantastic job. I'm really proud of him. And then I made some pasta salad yesterday, and I also made a chocolate cake. I made a chocolate cake yesterday morning. And then we had what else? We had some potatoes that I made, to go with the meal, and then some corn. I had to be kind of, how can I explain this? I had to be kind of doing something that my daughter's boyfriend would like, because he's kind of picky when it comes to vegetables. So he said he likes potatoes and he likes corn, so that's what we had. And he ate some of the pasta salad too, but I don't think it was his favorite. It's a pasta salad I pulled together. It's with bow tie pasta. I used 3 different types of bell peppers, peppers, the red, orange, and yellow I think I used. Then I put some zucchini in there, and also some pepperoni and some salami, and then with Olive Garden dressing. And you mix it all together. You pour the Olive Garden dressing in until you think it's enough. You don't want to do too much, but you don't want too little, because you want the taste of that to get really into the pasta. But it tastes fantastic. It's a nice summer salad. Yes, it has meat in it, which is bad, but you could do it any way you want. I've done it before with I put cucumbers in it, but of course it doesn't last long if you put cucumbers, because they're very wet. But this pasta salad is yummy, yummy, yummy. But we had that yesterday, so I was just a busy woman. And my cake is in here we've got it covered with some foil. But you can't hardly see, like I said, in here right now, because I've got stuff sitting all behind, all over the counters are just covered with crap out of the laundry room. It's amazing all that stuff fit in there. I'm shocked it all fit in there. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to be working on, and I'm excited to share with you how it turns out. Maybe we'll decorate it together. I need to get in here actually on a ladder. Let me turn this around. Up on top of here, it's super dusty. I don't think about dusting it very often, so I need to get like a vacuum or something and suck up all the dust up on top of these cabinets. And then I don't know if I used to have some bird houses up there, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to decorate it now. But I do want to put like some shelving down at the end, down there. Maybe some kind of shelving. I've got my that Home Sweet Home shelf that I got from where'd I get that? TJ Maxx, the one that's Ray Dunn. That would look cute in there, I think, because I have been looking all over the house for a place to hang it. I don't know if y'all remember it. It's this shelf here. I thought that would look cute in there, maybe. It's kind of been hard to find a place for this because it's so deep. And you don't want it up too high, because then you can't see the Home Sweet Home stuff. So you have to set it kind of at a lower, it can't be too high on the wall. But anyways, I think maybe that'll end up in there. And then I do have like a plant I might put on it. I'm going to decorate somehow, some way. But if I could tuck my husband into it, I'd really like to get maybe some shiplap on that one. And I'm talking about this back wall. If we could just do one wall and make it look good. I mean, I wouldn't mind if we did this whole wall. I think it would look great in here to be shiplapped. I mean, I'd do the whole thing if I could. But I don't think my husband would be up for that. And because, we may or may not be selling. Not sure yet. But anyways, I hope y'all are great. Kind of doing a vlog style here today. I hope you like it. I'm going to be doing that. And, of course, we got Amy's desk done. Let me take you in there and show you in person. Now, you'll have to walk with me through the house. But yeah, the desk came out super cute. I did post a picture, so I did tell you that already. Okay, it's kind of dark back here. She has the light off in here. Actually, she's gone to take pictures. You know how girls like to take pictures? Okay, so here's the desk. This is how it came out. It looks so cute. And of course, she already had this gray chair. We bought this at TJ Maxx. And she had it at college with her. It's like a beautiful, you know, it's kind of a, not really velvety, but it's such a nice, it looks so great with this. And then here's the desk, and look, the knobs look so cute. Aren't those cute on there? And then, you know, she's got the one over here in this drawer. And then, of course, she's filled it all up, and she's got it set up for her makeup station. So she's got all her makeup here, her makeup brushes, her mirror, you know. But it came out super good, and I'm really happy with it. I mean, she loves it. So I'm glad she liked it. It was a fun little project that took me, several days last week. I worked on that. Sorry for the dark. I worked on that last week. So this is the next project. I'm going to be painting that room, and I cannot wait to get it all decorated and make it look cute. I'm going to be also cleaning the floor in there. I still have, I kind of would like to show you. Hang on. Okay, this is how the grout was looking. See how dark that is? But then if you look here, you can see I've already cleaned that. And see what the difference is? Look at that. So that's what I've been doing all throughout the house. So I've already got all the kitchen done here. And into the family room. You can see all this is clean. All the grout, see how clean it is? Yeah, so I've been busy girl working on all that. And of course, in this light, I mean, our tile has kind of a little bit of, you know, different tones to it. So it's not dirty, it's clean. But all the grout you can see is nice and whiter than in that other spot I just showed you, because that was a job in itself to get all that done. So now, oh, my thing's falling apart here. Now I'm going to be starting on this hallway that goes off to the kids' room. There's quite a bit there, and I'm going to definitely be cleaning all the floor in the laundry room. I think something's happening with my, hold on. I think my little thing's not tight, my little tripod thing. Anyways, y'all take care. I'll be back, and I'll show you how this looks after it's painted. And then we'll probably decorate it and stuff. And then, like I said, I'm going to talk to my husband about maybe doing some shiplap on that wall. I don't know. I think it would look great if we did. Excuse my appearance. I just kind of threw on some clothes this morning. I knew I wanted to do this, so I got in here and pulled everything out. As you can tell, it's a lot. But we're going to get this painted, and then I'll show you how it looks when it's painted, and then we'll hopefully decorate it together. I am going to be cleaning the floor in here because it is kind of dirty looking. So the grout in here needs some cleaning too. It's not as bad as here in the main hallway, but I am going to clean the floor too. And I still have to put my tape down on the molding. So I'm going to get busy and do that. So I will see you on the next video and show you how it looks when it's painted. I'm excited to show you. So I hope it looks good, and I hope y'all are doing great. And I'll talk to you soon. Mwah! Love y'all.